Welcome to part 2 of how to choose font. In this video, I will discuss about remaining 4 designs. So, without further delaying, let's start the video. Now we design third banner. Let the music move you, here is action. Here I choose bold family. Let the music in one line, and move you in second line. Here I use intro lust, that is display font. Move you is right in intro lust font, and red. But red looks more loud. So I change its color to black. You can also try script font here. But I prefer to use display and sans serif fonts. Now, I increase boldness of subhead and also change it to regular from italic. When we have loud feelings, then we use this type of font. So, now our third banner is completed. You can see all the banners have different feel and emit different radiations. Try to understand that feel. This design gives a feel of loud as well as feels of move or action. But our previous design gives a feel of luxury and softness. Now move to next design. Next line is first time in India. This line gives a feeling of news. So, always bold font is preferred for news. Now, type this line and choose the bold family of same font. Increase the size. Here in this case, every word has value. So, I give same value to each and every word of line. Decrease the gap between the lines. Align head to right, so I also align subheads to right. Here is a tip. Alignment has great importance in every type of banner. I also move the button to right. It gives a very cool look and news type feeling. You can also choose italic bold font. It is giving the same feel as news magazine. So, you can use bold font for news type element. Now, move to next design. Next line is winner of 2020. So, this line gives a feeling of announcement and achievement. So, in this type of feeling, always serif font is preferred for design. And choose font Trajan Pro. As I change font, it gives a feel that it really wins the position. It gives a feeling of genuine. Now, I draw a line below it. Now write subhead below it. I decrease its size. I change letter to capital and increase the space between them. Keep in mind, if you increase space between letters, all the letters must be capital. Now, I change alignment to center because our head is centrally aligned. Also align the button. Now, I decrease the gap between winner line and headphone of the year line. I also decrease gap between head and subhead. Basically, we use 2 fonts in design. If I change font of winner, let's try something modern or script type font. You can see it does not give that good effect. Only looks good feeling in serif type font. Now move to next design. Next line is fight the silence. It gives a feel of fight. In case of fight feel, display type font is preferred. Here I choose intro rust of display type font. I change font and left align it. Here feel is very loud. So I increase its size, change all the letters to capital. Align everything to left. Now decrease size of button because here feel of fight is more important and loud than everything. So, to increase feel of loudness, I decrease the size of button. Now this design gives a different feel than previous one, just because of fonts. So font plays very important role in every design. To give more aggressive feel of fight, I change the color of fight to red. Now move to next design. Next line is plug it play it. It gives a feeling of play, game. It gives causal feeling. So here I use script font. So, I already write lobster font in script type font. I also play with typography here. Nothing is formal in this design, so you can place letters anywhere, where you want. I decreased the width of paragraph because I want to increase focus on font. So today I showed you use of different categories of fonts and design. In each category, there are lacks of fonts. You can choose any font as per your requirements or feel of design. I apply these basic rules on tech category. You can apply these secret feel rules to any category like fashion, banner, Instagram ad, Bollywood poster. This is my secret theory how to choose font. According to this theory, first read content, then try to understand what emotion or feel related to it. Then choose font according to that feel or emotion. So, I think you can understand the basic concept of this feel theory. When you try this theory to 10 to 12 designs, you will master this skill. I think this video helped you a lot. If you want to ask any question, you can ask in comment section as well as on Instagram. Please support me by just pressing the like button. If you did not subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe it and press the bell icon. Thank you.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.